what's going on, guys? So it's about, I guess, a week later, next weekend. Worked on the car a little bit, I think Thursday night. Not exactly sure where I left off, but I know I didn't record pulling the tranny out. Got the transmission pulled out. Here's the clutch to it. Clutch still looks pretty good on it. Man, there's only like maybe 5,000 miles. Got the transmission out here. Just degreased it best I could. Looks pretty shiny. Just threw a little mean green on it. And a pressure washer. And got after it. Alright, so next I'm going to do is disconnect everything to the block. What's left, it's not much. I'm going to keep the two headers on, but I'm going to remove the cross pipe here. I'll take that off. Still got some the negative terminal to take off. Really ain't that much to do. And O2 sensors, but here within an hour or so should be ready to yank this motor out. Alright, there she is. The old motor got pulled out. I've still managed to make a big mess. Got oil on the ground from the return line for the turbo. Oh well, throw some key liter down. Let it soak overnight. Well, got her pulled. I'll throw her on one of my bases I have, and tear it apart. Alright guys, got the motor pulled out of the car. It's definitely no easy task doing this by yourself. So like I said, I think I might have mentioned this before, got some oil on the ground, a whole bunch of antifreeze. It's alright, got a little bit of key liter I could throw down, let it soak it up. But she's out. Got her on my little wooden stand here the best I can. So what I'm gonna do is rip these heads off. I'm debating just take the headers off, but I may go ahead and do it anyway. Go ahead and remove them and put them back on. Get these heads all nice and cleaned up. Alright guys, so got this 306 completely stripped down to where I want it. I pulled everything off I need for the new swap. So everything still looks pretty good on this motor. I mean, it's hard to tell. Even the walls still look good on it. I keep the cam in it because I'm not going to use it. So I'm just going to try this out. Has a short block with a cam in it. Got one of my little rollers there. Perfect little engine stand so I can just wheel it around if I need to. So I'll probably just cover up in a bag, take a few pictures of it first, and throw it online. Hopefully I sell it pretty quick because I need it gone, and I can use the cash. So I'm just gonna do a local sell. I'm not gonna try to ship this damn thing. I got the transmission there. I'm gonna post that up online. Might even do a little combo with the clutch. I mean, clutch is it's in great shape, so there's still a lot of life in it. Probably do the flywheel as well. The head's all pulled off. Got the roller rockers all up there. Heads, gonna get them cleaned up. I still have to decide if I want to get them ported or not. But I mean, that requires more money. I mean, everything looks pretty good on them. They're just really good shape, so. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up because I got antifreeze like everywhere and oil. So, and like I said, I'm gonna start posting some pictures online and hopefully get this stuff sold because like to get started on the 351 over there. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here, and hopefully the next video will be working on the engine bay, getting it cleaned up, and start doing the wire tuck on it. So, alright guys, take it easy.